Hello students, welcome back to my classroom. Today is the third lesson. We're going to start with central angles. That means that the angle is right here. That's where it has the vertex. And when you watch Khan Academy, you notice that 120 it's a little bigger than 90 degrees. Actually, it's 30 degrees bigger than 90. This is my central angle. And it is equal as much as this arc. If this angle is 120, then the measure of the arc is 120. We know that the circle has 360 degrees. Therefore, I have one more angle of 120, another central angle, and this is the arc 120 degrees. And then one more angle of 120, the arc is 120 degrees. Altogether 360. So far we've been talking about central angle. The vertex is in the center. Well, with red, I am going to have another angle that does not meet in the center, but it meets on the circumference. And it intercepts the same arc. But this angle right here is going to be smaller. Do you see how big the crocodile mouth is here? The crocodile mouth here is a little smaller. It's actually half of 120, it's 60 degrees. If I repeat this and I say, hey, I have this other angle that intercepts this arc of 120, here is 60 degrees, and then I'm left with the last one, has 60 degrees, and it intercepts this arc, half of 120 would be 60. So what do I know? Inscribed angle. What's the measure? Measure of inscribed angle equal half measure of intercepted arc. All right? Two things. Central angle in the center. Vertex is in the center. The angle here is as much as the arc. Now, let's draw now a square. If I have a square, all right, central angle is 90 degrees right here. Central angle is 90 degrees right here. Central angle is 90 degrees right here. 90 degrees right here. Therefore, this arc is 90, 90, 90, and another 90 degrees. But if I want to see how much this angle here is, do you notice that it intercepts the whole arc, which is 180? What do I do with the 180 to get this angle here? I divide it by 2. Here is 90 degrees. This whole arc, because this angle intercepts this whole arc, I divide it by 2. This one, the same way. this whole arc of 180, I divide it by 2. So once again, what do I know? Central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. If this is 120, that's 120. If this is 90, that's 90. But the inscribed angle, which has the vertex right on the circumference, the measure of inscribed angle is equal half measure of the intercepted arc. I hope that this has helped you put together the idea of central angle and inscribed angle. Now, what do we have here? We have an inscribed polygon. Specifically, it's an inscribed square. What do we have here? We have an inscribed triangle. Inscribed triangle. Now, whenever you have a polygon that it's inscribed, it's regular. What does it mean? All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. With this, we're going to end this third lesson.